What if your smartphone could replace a professional camera, run every app smoothly, and still last all day on a single charge? Well, that's exactly what the new Vivo X300 Ultra is trying to do. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at one of the most powerful flagship phones expected this year. From insane camera technology to flagship performance, this phone might actually change the smartphone game. So if you love tech and want to stay updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe to Bruce Tech Lab and hit the notification bell so you never miss a future video. Let's start with the design and display. The Vivo X300 Ultra is expected to feature a large AMOLED display with ultra-smooth refresh rates, giving you vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a super fluid scrolling experience. Whether you're watching YouTube, playing games, or editing photos, the display is built to look stunning from every angle. The design also looks premium, with a sleek glass finish and a massive camera module on the back that instantly tells you this phone means serious business. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where things get really interesting. The Vivo X300 Ultra is rumored to come with one of the latest flagship processors, which means blazing fast speeds for gaming, multitasking, and heavy apps. You can expect smooth gameplay, fast app launches, and zero lag even when pushing the phone to its limits. Combined with high RAM options and fast storage, this device is clearly built for power users and tech enthusiasts. But the real highlight of the Vivo X300 Ultra is the camera system. Vivo has been pushing smartphone photography to the next level, and this device is expected to feature an advanced camera setup designed for professional-level photos. From ultra-sharp main sensors to powerful zoom capabilities, the camera aims to deliver stunning detail, incredible night photography, and cinematic video recording. If you love mobile photography or content creation, this could easily become one of the best smartphone cameras available. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video and love tech reviews like this, drop a like on the video. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know you want to see more content like this. Moving on to battery life and charging, flagship Vivo phones usually come with large batteries and super fast charging technology. That means you can expect all-day usage and extremely quick charging times when the battery runs low. Imagine plugging in your phone for just a short time and getting hours of power back. That's the kind of convenience modern flagship phones are aiming for. Finally, the software experience should be smooth and feature-rich, with smart AI features, better camera processing, and optimization for performance and battery life. Vivo has been improving its software steadily, and the X300 Ultra could bring even more intelligent features designed to enhance everyday use. So the big question is the Vivo X300 Ultra worth the hype? If the leaks and expectations are accurate, this phone could easily become one of the top flagship smartphones of the year, especially for people who care about camera quality and high performance. And if you want more tech reviews, gadget breakdowns, and the latest technology updates, make sure you subscribe to Bruce Tech Lab, turn on the notification bell, and join the community. Also comment below and tell me, would you buy the Vivo X300 Ultra, or are you waiting for another flagship phone?